Hello. In this video, I will teach you how to use port awesome paired icon for free at per SVG. So let's get started. First, we will do the console and go to network section and click on fetch XHR. So let me increase it. So we will use the let me search question and what the result I got. These are the result which I getting. So now we will use a pro version. So let's click on this one. So this is the pro version. If you see it create a SVG for you. This click on here. So this is your paired icon. We will use it for free. So we can use for this. Click and go to header. So copy this link and paste it here. So this is our SVG, which is paid, but we are using it for free. So this is our tip. Thank you.